Well, hello everybody. This is the 7-year update on this 10 by 15 Harbor Freight garage in a box. It's done everything I've asked it to do. I could probably get another couple years out of it, but I'm going to go ahead and take it down. Now you can see this tarp over here. I think maybe 5 years in, the top ripped off, so I put a tarp over it. There's some bolts in there and they rubbed through a tarp, so I put a second tarp over it. That also came from Harbor Freight. This has been on here probably a good 2 years. All in all, it's definitely worse for wear, but it's done what I've asked it to do. The grommets tore out quite some time back. This zipper is the one I used most to get in and out, just walk through. It's jacked up right here, so it doesn't close very well. The entire back side has been rubbed out. Really bad shape back here. Wind beaten. It rubbed on this table for a long time, and I'll go inside in a moment, but once the top split out, it kind of started swaying, so I put 2 straps corner to corner to give it rigidity that way. My flooring is doing fairly well on the inside. If you remember, this is just sitting on pallets on the earth with OSB on it. It has rotted away over the years. No big deal. So all of this stuff is going to now go into a trailer of mine that I acquired not too long ago, and it is going to be my temporary workspace. I'm going to go ahead and electrify it, put the lights in, all that jazz. I'll probably film that as well. You can see how the peak ripped out. Looks like a bird's been nesting here. Don't know if they're in there. And of course these tarps. Now these have bolt heads. You can see now I have this foam around here. That's what took the tarp out. It was rubbing on those bolt heads, as well as up here at the peak. Maybe you can see that. But I think I paid somewhere around $200, $220 for this. Can't remember. Break that down over 7 years. It's been a very worthwhile investment for me. Used it for woodworking projects and whatnot, working on my house. Now the new ones I believe are 10 by 17. This is a 10 by 15. And I looked at the manual earlier today. This is all bolted together. Every joint has bolts. I think the new ones just kind of fit together, and the tarp tensioning is what holds it all together. I cannot speak for them these days on the longevity, but the one I have here has definitely worked out for me. This is the final update on this guy. It's coming out. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.